Okay. Yun oh. Z900. Tamang shorts lang yun eh. Alright, happy Sunday morning. I'm with MyLabs. And what we have here is the FKM Slick 400. Yan. And in today's episode, try natin mag-ride papuntang Nueva Ecija. Actually, hindi pa namin alam kung saan exactly doon. Pag stop over na lang doon namin naalamin kung saan talaga. So ito, big shoutout to FKM Motorcycles, FKM Antipolo branch. Yan, for lending us this 400cc maxi scooter. Yan, big shoutout FKM Motorcycle Philippines. Ito, ride na muna tayo. Are you ready?
Yeah,
let's go. Up. Ang bait na mga tao ngayon magbigay. Siyempre para all good sa yung biyahe natin. Pagas muna tayo. Medyo mainit na because it's already 9 o'clock and katirika ng araw yung biyahe natin. Grabe. Yes tayo 300. V-Power po 300. Baba lang daw muna. Siya lang po ba?
You suck!
Wala po. Yo. Alright, let's do this. Hindi muna ako nagpatodo ng gas. Mamaya na lang ulit pag stop over. So I'm not quite sure if somewhere in Cabiao yung pupuntahan namin. Basta Nueva Ecija. I-chat na lang namin yung pinsan ni MyLabs. Shoutout Roma. Chat na lang namin siya mamaya pag nag-stop over kami. So ngayon traffic gaming tayo. Pupunta Masinag. And focus muna tayo sa biyahe. Keep us safe, O Lord, as well as the other riders out here. Alright, and just like that, andito na po tayo sa EDSA. Yan, EDSA Gaming muna tayo ngayong umaga na to. And for some reason, medyo busy yung daan ngayon, no? Even if it's Sunday morning. Not quite sure if it has something to do with the time, since yun nga, past 9 na rin kami umalis eh. I don't know. Hopefully lumuwag din yung daan dahil ang init ng biyahe na to kapag mabagal. Kailangan natin ng konting airflow. And so far so good naman itong si Slick 400. Kahit slow moving traffic, very manageable naman kahit malaki siya. After a few days of using this maxi scooter, madali ko din naman siya nagamay. Parang lang ako nakaupo sa sofa habang naglalaro ng isang video game habang ako yung bida. Parang ganun. Kasi ito yung POV. And eto sa biyahe natin ito, wala tayong dalang bag. Ang dala lang natin ang sarili natin dahil good thing yung mga gamit natin is kasya naman lahat sa compartment, diba? So ulit, okay, may mga construction ongoing pa dito, and this is SM North EDSA. Bilis din ang biyahe natin. Ayan, maligayang panonood nga pala muli sa ating mga agulong. Yan, maraming salamat sa patuloy suporta at sa mga nanonood ng ating mga previous travel vlog, moto vlog. Yan, maraming salamat. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapanood, check nyo lang po sa video section ng ating YouTube channel or sa Facebook kung saang platform man kayo nanonood. Today is January 19 and big shout out kay Boss A, Alan Fermin ng Premium Gears. You know, happy birthday Boss A, ang pinaka-pogi sa Premium Gears family. Yeah. At yun, para sa mga agulong natin na nagpapa-shoutout, big shoutout kay Papa Robin Dude Bernabe, yan, ng San Rafael, Bulacan. Big shoutout Papa Robin Dude. Siyempre, isa sa mga palagi nanonood sa ating channel, isa sa mga silent viewers na minsan nagko-comment. Yan, all the way from Canada. Big shoutout kay Kuya Eyi. Yan, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy ka lang dyan. Happy viewing and stay safe. Ayun, no? Ito na entrada ng NLEX. And yan, medyo excited si MyLabs dahil this is our first time na mag-NLEX ng nakamotor. Syempre pag ganito hindi tayo pwedeng basta-basta bumira. Syempre may OBR tayo, mahirap bumira ng bumira. Pag tayo na semplang, nako, lupay-pay ka.
Uuwi ka na lupay-pay. Alam ko naman na sexy ka, maganda ka at kikay ka. Pag ikaw ay aking binira.
Grabe, it's nice to be back here. Kailan ba yung last time na nakapag-NLEX tayo? Almost a year na din ata nung ginamit natin si Falcon X400 yan. Still courtesy of the FKM Motorcycle Philippines. Init. It's our turn. Basa. Okay. Yun o. Z900. Tamang shorts lang yan. You good? Let's go. Who would have thought na makapag-motor kami ni MyLab sa NLEX, no? And so pagka ganitong medyo maraming sasakyan, dikit-dikit, at you're running at a high speed, kailangan tamang facing lang dahil mahirap mamareno ng ganito kabilis. Ilang kilometro pa lang tayo mabiyahe. Stop over muna tayo dito. So may Petron. Siguro kape-kape muna tayo para pandagdag energy. We're here. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Alright, grabe, napaka-solid mo, Slick 400. Okay, kape-kape muna tayo.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah.
Dami rin mga truck ngayon. Paano tayo overtake na ito? Let's do this. Grabe. Hirap sumagad. Nakakatakot. Pero may bubuga pa itong si Slick 400. Talaga lang ayoko lang talaga siya isagad ng todo dito sa NLEX. Mahirap na. Grabe, ang lakas ng wind drag. Against tayo sa airflow eh. Pasalubong tayo, grabe. Pero okay na din yun dahil kahit mainit yung panahon is sigiging presko pa din tayo. Ito lang talaga yung medyo boring, no, sa biyahe kapag pag naka-automatic ka, talagang piga preno, that's it, tapos diretso pa, sobrang habang diretso pa yung dadaanan mo. So exciting pa rin naman yung mga magandang view, tulad yung mga bukirin sa gilid-gilid. Anyways, ganun talaga, it's automatic. Kita mo to, automatic. Alright, finally tapos na ang bakbakan sa NLEX. So medyo slow pace na tayo dito dahil maraming mga kabahayan dito sa dadaanan natin. Napaka memorable itong daan na to dahil syempre hindi tayo dumadaan pag pupunta tayo ng warehouse ng FKM. Yan, big shoutout to FKM Motorcycle Philippines. And syempre big shoutout din sa FKM Antipolo branch. Yan, courtesy of Sir Romel. Yan, big shoutout sa inyo dyan. Alright, so ang Arayat na pala yung tawag sa lugar na to. Yan, which is itong hinang-kita dito yung bundok ng Mount Arayat. Yan. And may madadaan daw tayong tulay. Yun, ayos Uy, dito ang ganda ng view ng ng bundok, labs, oh. Grabe, solid. Ayos dito.
All day and all night we'd stay up. It felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never enough. We'd hook up in my car, driving so far. Play your guitar, you'd show me your art. Let down our guards, think with our hearts. Stare at the stars, we were never apart. Drinking too young, way too much fun. Out in the sun, hoping when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song. Dance all night long till the lights come on. And how careless we could be. 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 How careless we could be.
It's too late now. I remember you and me. And how careless we could be.